Hey y'all, so I got a package from the boys at the gate. If you know, you know. So I got another unboxing from the boys at the gate. If you saw some of my videos ago, I had a bad experience from them with a YSL bag. It was horrible. So hopefully they can redeem themselves. This is from a different vendor as well. First of all, it didn't come in a box. The box is beautiful. This is a good box. I'm gonna try it. I'm definitely keeping the box. Beautiful dust bag. Yes. Let's open her up. Look at how beautiful she is. And she smells like leather. It smells like leather. She is so soft, you guys. Look at that. Remember my last video, videos ago, the YSL was all one word. Like it didn't look stacked. Y'all saw that? Yeah, see that? Okay. This is the inside. Look how beautiful that is. And you can looks like you can take this out and make it into a clutch, which I will definitely end up doing. It has the name on the zipper. There's the name. And oh, it comes with an authentication card. Pretty thick card too, by the way. And it's in French to let you know she's for real. And then this is the chain. So it's a nice long chain. I do a lot of crossbodies, so I'm probably not wearing it as a crossbody. I'll probably do both, honestly. I didn't get a big one because I was scared. So I didn't get the big one. I got the little one. This is the little one. So I am going to purchase the bigger one, and I'm also going to purchase the red one and the new one, because this is definitely worth your purchase. This is what I'm currently wearing now. I'm so excited. I'm so happy for this purse. It definitely was worth it. I'll definitely link the vendor. I will tell y'all this, you better hurry up, because those vendors be like, black get hot, they be gone. Because here, day bag I got from them. And I was looking for the vendor to link it in my bio, and the vendor's gone. The vendor's gone. So I was like, what? So I'll keep looking to see if they came back. Because this is another cute bag, everyday bag, and it has this, and it has that as well. This really is a nice bag. Came in the box. I'll probably do a video about it because I haven't done it yet. I didn't know if I really wanted to, so I was like, I don't want people in my business. And I was like, man, I don't care. I don't care. Nobody pays my bills but me. And if I want to spend my money on this, that's what I'm gonna do. But yeah, so this is my everyday bag. But if I can find it, I'll definitely link it for you guys as well. And I'll see y'all in the next video.